Programming a key fob involves synchronizing it with your vehicle's immobilizer system via the ECU, usually through the OBD2 port. Scan tools connect to this port to communicate with the ECU using protocols like CAN. Key fobs are either fixed code, which are simple to reprogram, or rolling code, which are more secure and require specific synchronization. Universal scan tools are increasingly common, now covering 90% of global vehicle makes and models. Tools from brands like Autel, Launch, and Snap-on support over-the-air updates, ensuring compatibility with the latest vehicle software. Remember, always disconnect the battery before programming to prevent ECU damage and avoid unauthorized programming, which may violate anti-theft laws. Connect the OBD2 scan tool to your vehicle's port and power on the vehicle. Access the key programming menu, often labeled Key Programming or Remote Learning. This varies by tool and vehicle. Follow the on-screen prompts. Input your vehicle's year, make, and model. If prompted, insert a working key and cycle the ignition. Program the new fob by pressing the buttons as instructed by the scan tool. Test the new fob to ensure it can unlock the doors, activate the panic alarm, and start the engine. Be aware that vehicle-specific variations exist. For example, GM vehicles might require turning the key in the ignition multiple times, while Toyota may need dealer-specific codes. Keep your scan tool's software updated to avoid programming failures. Scan tools now often integrate with smartphone apps, offering augmented reality overlays for visual guidance.